Isha!
Hey Sushme, don't blush so many times here in lobby.
Isha?
If I lose my control na, then there will be havoc here.
Okay. Stop. What are you doing? Who are you? What are you up to, trying to steal something? Tell me, otherwise I will make a noise and call everyone.
Hey, relax Sushe. Hey, it's me, Parsha.
Oh my god, Parsha. But why you have arrived to suspicious way?
What is my stealth? Someone knows us here.
Ka?
So what? If someone recognizes us, then?
Why would anyone recognize us here?
Hey, it's not like that. Yesterday, a village in Konkan, someone called me in the toilet. Hey Parsha, here and there.
That small village in Konkan had a toilet?
Hey, toilet means just a small corner of the farm, on the road. Was there a road? Don't think so. Road like just a dust trail.
But why did you go such a far away?
Come on Sushe, don't you know? Hey, I am merchandise of international sailing company, delivery person as a Maharashtra's famous DB.
DB?
Delivery boy. I had come down for the water vessel delivery at your home, and then we both fell in vessel.
Huh?
I mean, we fell in love.
Isha, naughty.
Hey, where are you going? I have just arrived.
It's not like that. It's just a way of expressing.
Then okay. Then we started calling each other, chatting, and then our on mobile marriage.
Now tell me when we are going to marry, else I will force you to honeymoon on a mobile away.
Hey, for the same, I have come here from Wadala. And you? Fursungi. Oh, I just remember. Tell me, whom were you talking so loudly on the phone some time back? Whose phone was it? Call him right now, in front of me.
Hey, wait. We'll tell you everything. My mobile battery was dead. When I arrived here, you were not here. Then I took the phone of that waiter, called you using his mobile number. I was not sure. Whenever you come down here.
Hey, listen Sushe, how can I do this? I always ensure timely delivery of all my customers. And do you think I would ditch you? You are my most special lucky person. Would I not deliver your precious things?
Ish, naughty.
Hey, but I have not done anything. Oh, got it. Sorry. It is a way of expressing, isn't it?
Isha.
Hey Sushme, don't blush so many times here in lobby.
Isha.
If I lose my control na, then there will be havoc here.
Okay, leave it. Firstly, you can book the room. You know, I have been waiting in this veranda since morning. You know that some customers think that I am a worker of this hotel.
Who? The hell were they? Just tell me.
Let it be. The room booking first. Let's go.
But no one is here. Whom should I ask for room booking? Anyone here? Hello?
Coming. I am there. Some work was pending, so she went there.
Who went where? No one went from here.
Hey, I went there for some work. So, tell me, what?
Well, we are doing fine. Lot of road traffic. So arrive late.
Hey, not that. Tell me, how can I help you? You must be here for a room.
Obviously, room is required. How can we open the... Hey,
Then what are you saying?
what I am saying is right. We both cannot live in open space. Can we? Okay, tell me.
Tell me fast.
What should we tell? You tell. We write. Your name?
Prashant Gowde and Sushma
Sushma Taude.
Gowde. Why?
See, Parsha. Our 40% marriage are done on mobile. When we get the married in real, then I will put your surname Gowde only.
Okay, Gowde is okay. It does not matter as long as the person is same. Write it. Sushma Gowde.
Do you have any identity proof like Aadhaar card or PAN card?
We have it. But our photo will not match on our face in the document.
No issue. Just like a compounder can understand the writing of a doctor. Same like that we can understand through identity card. Let me see.
But what I'm saying is, there was absolutely no need of hurriedly coming down here.
Look, understand, coming here, whether it was necessary or not, is my lookout.
No, I'm not objecting you coming here.
Objection? Whom are you going to complain about?
Yes, that's true.
Sukanya? Have you checked everything?
Nothing as such. Check the water bottles, table drawer, dustbin in the room, bathroom, and one small fridge in the room. Checked everything. Nothing that I can find.
Nothing is there, okay?
That's good.
This is getting too much, Suki's mother.
Daddy, again?
Sorry, dear. That name is just stuck in my mouth. You see, whenever I'm in Kolhapur, I'm always Sukha and you are Suki.
Oh yes, you're feeling very restless, isn't it?
No, I'm not exactly sad, but such a mistrust on me.
Oh, I can't really help it. I don't know, but I'm smelling something foul, as if some dried flower or something else.
Hey, this is a hotel. They have their own kitchen, their own bar. Once the vegetables are stale, they smell like rot. And I don't even touch a drop of it.
And yes, then you need a whole glass full of it.
See, there is no point in arguing with you. See, there is such a pain in my head since morning.
Yes, it's going to pain, cause dizziness. Once in a while that you booze, the body is not able to take it.
That's what I'm saying. Permit to have 1.5 peg daily. My request for the same is pending since many days for your approval. Now you tell me what kind of slow administration is yours. Even government processes get their requests approved immediately and you?
See, now don't divert the subject.
Miss?
Tell me till now, how many prospective grooms have you seen for our daughter?
I'm not counted that. So what?
You have lost the count? What do you mean? Since last month you have been traveling and for every 8-10 days you keep on looking out for the groom and you're outside the house. This is happening for the last 1 year. So now I thought I will personally come down and now we both are going to find a suitable boy for her.
Hey, but once I shortlist some grooms, I will hand over it to you. And after filtering out the list and then final approval from Suki should be taken. The complete process was planned by you, isn't it?
Yes, I myself have really thought of everything and I was confident about its success. But I don't know, something has gone wrong and I need some changes somewhere and that is why I've come here.
I'm not agreeing on this. I will protest against this and I feel I should do something about this.
What? What are you saying? What kind of protest do you want to say? Are you planning for some silent march on me? And what are you planning for? What kind of planning? No. All these planned things, I know all your tricks.
Something needs to be done. It will be done.
Enough! Oh God, we are in the hotel room and not in our house.
He is handling situation.
Cool down.
What is all this?
cool down.
What? What are you saying? What kind of protest do you want to say? Are you planning for some silent march on me?
Anything can be done. Don't try to intimidate me. If something needs to be done, there are always infinite of doing.
Oh my God. What is going on?
Order.
Hey, nothing doing. No order now. Can't you see? We both are having a fight. Just keep quiet. Nothing.
I am not talking about the hotel order. I am talking about the court discipline of order.
I'm sorry. Hey, he's talking about court orders about keeping quiet. Even he's asking to keep quiet.
But we have paid the rent of this room, right?
Of course.
Oh, then who the hell he is to tell us? Don't quarrel in my own house. What is this?
Hello, Mummy. This is not our house. This is hotel room.
Yes, Sukanya, that's what it is. Now just see, this man has made his hotel room as his house and his house as the hotel room.